Okay, so now let's talk about the functions. So first we talk about the audio first. So you see in the audio, now we can support totally 32 audio channel. And then for the first lot, you will see there is some difference. For example, like the orange color and the black color. So for the black color, that means you are actually disabled to record that channel, and then in orange color, so that means it's enabled. And the other thing is on the each source, you can actually press inside, and then you can type. For example, the channel 1 is guitar, and then the channel 2 is track 2 is bass, and then track 3 is a drum. And then also you can using the keyboard and then to type the wording, and then for the other wing, that is the line input, or you can set on the HDMI or maybe the SDI, so which you can set into a separate channel. So it is now it become more and more convenient as compared with the PIX 260. Then this is the you can control the level on the input, no matter is digital or maybe is analog too. So you see the whole function is very convenient on the audio. So let's start. So this is the audio, and then we go to the menu. So in the menu, you will see we're only talking about like several, like maybe a big difference, maybe compared with the 240 and 220. And the first one is the video and audio mode. So now 260 can record video and audio and audio only. So what's that mean? So for example, now when you go to the menu, and then you can choose whether video, audio, and or audio only. And on audio, you can also like maybe choose whether it's mono or polywave. So that means now you can using a PIX 260 as an audio recorder. So the other function I want to talk about is the file storage. In the first one, the recording mode. What is so now the recording mode you can set to sequential and also is simultaneous. So what's that difference? So on the sequential, so if you connect with more than one hard drive, so that means you can actually, like when one of the hard drive is actually full, and then it will jump to another. So that means if you get like 4 hard drive connected, and then they will jump from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. So simultaneously, so no, it's sequentially without any dropout. It's very useful for maybe for some situation, like maybe you are recording like maybe a music festivals, which is talking about a whole day, and then all the recording have to be like maybe have to be low compression, like maybe a ProRes like HQ or maybe even 4444. So for this situation, the sequential recording is actually very useful for you. So the other setting is the simultaneous. So simultaneous is actually good for maybe for someone, for example, like you are actually recording a concert or maybe an event or maybe a football match, and then your client have to talk the footage straight away without maybe immediately without any time which you can do a file transfer. So for these situations, you can actually put on like maybe a PIX caddy, or maybe you can put on like whatever hard drive you can connect through the caddy and also for the eSATA. Then you press the record button, and then all the hard disk, the hard drive that you are connected with the PIX 260 will record it immediately at the same time. So once you finish it, and then for example, like you can keep maybe the hard drive that you can maybe from the caddy, and then you can pull out the eSATA hard drive, and then you can just like hand it to your client, and then you can just like say goodbye. And it's very convenient, especially sometimes you are maybe you are in hurry, and then you don't time to do a kind of like maybe a file transfer.